For an organisation to excel, it helps to think of it as an ecosystem made up of interrelated and ever-evolving parts. We call this the B.R.A.V.E Ecosystem, comprising 5 pillars which work together to inform the health and success of every organisation. Belonging. Is your company culture one where all people feel included and able to flourish? Role models. Are your managers confident leaders, equipped with contemporary leadership skills? Approach. Is your vision and strategy supported by the right policies, processes, and data insights? Values. Are your workplace behaviours defined and reviewed through meaningful performance management? Education. Is there a strategy to continually develop people and teams? You might just be looking for support with one aspect for now, but know we're here with you for the long term. To understand your ecosystem as a whole, to identify ways to make the biggest impact with your budget, and to implement a joined-up development strategy with your people at its core. We're Right Track Learning. Let's talk about your ecosystem.